Welcome to review of Myra Essence Anti-Aging Cream. Hello friends. I am Selena. Today I gonna review Myra Essence Anti-Aging Cream. In this official review, you will know Myra Essence Cream official website, Myra Essence Cream benefits, Myra Essence Cream ingredients, and claim Myra Essence free trial. Previously, I was just 30, but there were wrinkles on my skin. I have tried many creams that may remove my wrinkles, but they weren't gonna effective for me. Then I decided to meet my doctor. Then my doctor suggest me new anti-aging cream, Myra Essence. Have a seat. Now we are going to visit Myra Essence Cream official website, Myra Essence Cream. Myra Essence is all-natural anti-aging cream that help to glow your skin. It also helps you to get a brightened skin. It removes wrinkles in a natural way. Just pay a small shipping charge and claim your free trial pack today. Alright. Here we go to official website of Myra Essence. Visit official website and claim your trial of Myra Essence Anti-Aging Cream in Canada. freetrailhealth.com web link. What is Myra Essence Cream? Myra Essence Cream is a brand new cream particularly created to eliminate all indicators of skin aging. It will make your skin ends up being young as well as smooth. The flexibility of skin likewise boosts with this lotion. Skin cells which obtained damaged because of aging got restored with the assistance of this cream. Why Myra Essence Anti-Aging Cream only? The factor for selecting Myra Essence Cream just are many. Yet a few of them can be listed here. Easy to use on skin. Straightforward to use. All natural components made. Ideal for all skin kinds, oily, typical or sensitive. Really effective to make use of on face as well as neck. Without any type of skin inflammation. How does Myra Essence Anti-Aging Cream work on skin? Myra Essence Cream functions to reclaim flexibility of the skin by increasing collagen manufacturing, which starts obtained declining due to age factor. Its ingredients with each other integrate to lower creases, great lines, acne, dark places. It helps to make skin moisturized to make it glowing and also healthy. Ingredients of using Myra Essence Anti-Aging Cream. 1. Collagen. This is one of the most essential active ingredient which adds to making skin elastic. It provides wetness to skin tissues. Creases, dark areas, fine lines lessen due to this ingredient. It will certainly provide you acne as well as acne's complementary skin. It removes dryness from the skin. Other health and wellness advantages of this ingredient are: treatments weight problems. Makes muscle mass solid. Additionally helpful for pain relief. 2. Peptides. These proteins make skin thick and also smooth. Myra Essence Cream offers nutrition to the skin. It likewise aids remove creases from the skin. It additionally contains antioxidants due to which indicators old minimizes. 3. Manuka nectar. This is a variation of honey. It is used in numerous skin treatment items due to its ability to fix skin tissues and restore them. It assists to heal every type of skin problems including any type of skin infections, burns etc. 4. Vitamin C. These antioxidants additionally boost the quantity of collagen in the skin. It tones the skin. It protects skin from ultraviolet rays of the sun. Our skin glows due to this component. It aids to open up closed pores and consequently, help prevent acne. 5. Retinol. They are also antioxidants which eliminate scars from the skin. It makes skin moisturized which assists it to be radiant. The best thing is that it appropriates for sensitive skin also. Why choose Myra Essence Cream as an anti-aging cream? Myra Essence Cream will provide you adhering to benefits. O. Smoothen and tighten skin. O. Repair work skin cells as well as restores them. O. Prevention from hazardous sun rays. O. Stops dust to get in the skin. O. Assists in enhancing skin complexion. O. Aids in skin hydration. O removes dark places, fine lines. O scars and also acnes are avoided as it opens shut pores. O dry skin gotten rid of by it. O cures skin troubles. O avoids skin infections, injuries, and allergic reactions. Side effects of using Myra Essence Anti-Aging Cream. Are you bothered with side effects? So my answer is never. Myra Essence Cream is totally risk-free for your skin since all components utilized in making this cream are herbal as well as all natural. Besides this, they are checked prior to they are made use of. Additionally, it would certainly not sustain any type of damages or side effect to your skin as it is suited to every sort of skin. How and from where to get trial of Myra Essence Anti-Aging Cream in Canada? Myra Essence Anti-Aging Cream is available online only. To get trial of Myra Essence in Canada you need to pay a small shipping cost of $4.95. Visit official website and claim your trial of Myra Essence Anti-Aging Cream in Canada. freetrailhealth.com web link. We have just shown you official website details, offer price and also trials. In official website there is also real consumers review. Because we are here for you. We know the value of your money. So, just follow the instructions and get your pills at discount price. You are also here to get best product from official website. Thanks for watching. Do like, comment if you found any problem and must subscribe.